A Sunburst chart is a really useful tool for showing hierarchical data structures. And it's probably better that I just show you how to make it and we'll figure it out from there. What we have here is 4 layers of data, 1 division, 1 portfolios, 1 of projects, and 1 of benefits from each of the projects. It doesn't need to be projects and benefits. It can just as easily be bugs, it could be profits, it could be costs, it could be disbenefits, it could be the number of happy customers. It can be any kind of data that you want to put on here. In fact, you could even put an organization hierarchy on here and have people's salaries on there. And then you can see which teams, which departments, and which business areas have got the highest costs. All you really need before we get started is a few layers of the hierarchy. In this case, I have gone with division, portfolio, project, and benefit because these should be familiar terms to us. And I'll highlight them, go to insert, go to recommended charts. And it actually appears on here. It doesn't always. Usually you'd have to go to all charts and down to Sunburst, but there it is. Click on OK. What this shows us is the proportional benefits from each part of the hierarchy. I'm going to change the name of the chart title by double clicking to get into the chart. It just turns into a normal text box. You'll see it doesn't tell you the figure for each of the benefits. Instead, it just shows you as a proportion of the size of the chart. We can change these numbers as well. I'll drag the chart out the way, and if we go to, say, Oracle implementation and stick another 0 on it, tell me that's never happened to you. And we see this has happened. The chart's restructured itself around the new data. As I said in the previous video, sometimes it's worth adding a little bit of context next to these charts. Just put a note next to it calling out what trends or patterns you're identifying, and don't leave it up to the audience to figure it out for themselves. This is a pretty good chart though. It's really helpful for getting people looking at data from a different kind of way, seeing things in proportion to each other rather than just as lists of numbers. And it breaks some of that monotony of the pie charts and the bar charts that you see in every other pack. Anyway, if that was helpful, hope you give the video a like, and I'll catch you next time.